In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can inspect your weapon here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. This is super simple to do, so we're going to go ahead and dive straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now getting into it, whether you're on keyboard and mouse or controller, the process overall is super easy. Right now I have, my M15 Mod 0 out as a demonstration. And if you're on keyboard and mouse, all you have to do is go ahead and press the I key and it's going to automatically start going through the entire weapon inspect animation. On controller, the steps are just as simple though. On both Xbox and PS5, hold down on the left D-pad to bring up the quick menu and then press left on the D-pad again and it will inspect your weapon the exact same way. So no matter what you're playing on, you could show off your camos, inspect your gun, and get some nice clips. But that's really all there is to it. If you did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.